Students, another solved papers of FMP in Department of Plant Breeding and Genetics held on spring 2021 dated 11th of the August 2021. Marks distribution is as follows: final, practical, and then mid. Mid paper having total marks 12 with the 12 MCQs. Final paper having definition, true, false, fill in the blanks, and then short question. Definitions are five numbers: true, false, five, fill in the blanks, five, and then short questions, five. Total marks 20. And then practical portion having definitions, true, false, fill in the blanks, and then notebook and viva. So definitions in this case are 5 marks, true, false, 5s, fill in the blanks 3, and then notebook and viva 3. Total marks for practical paper are 16. So 20 plus 16 plus 12 is equal to 48. Sessional marks are 12, 8 for theoretical portion and 4 for practical portion. So the total marks for this paper having the credit hour 3 is into 2 into 1 is equal to 60. So in midterm exam MCQs, the first MCQs is seed bed preparation is tractive work. Next, farm mechanization improve utilization efficiency of input. Next, in four-stroke engine, fuel consumed fully used to mix spray before spraying. There will be the word agitator. Next is mobile mechanization is an attempt to replace animal power. Next is word tractor appear first in 1890. Next is ICE generate thermal energy inside the engine. Next is farm implements are machineries used to make work easier. Next, engine operated sprayers are operated at pressure 20 to 50 kilogram per centimeter square. Next is lubricating oil is placed in crankcase. Next is useful life of working plow is 15 hours, 1500 hours. And the last one, MCQ of the midterm exam having 12 marks and the 12 MCQs. The last MCQ is per hours coverage of acre of sorry per hour per hour coverage of area of combine harvester is 1200 acre. This was the midterm exam paper. Next is final term exam. First question definitions. Farm, a, a place where agricultural practices, for example, growing of plants and rearing of animals, takes place. Next, crankshaft, control opening and closing of valves. Next is piston, is the part of engine to compress air fuel mixture. Piston also convert fuel energy into the mechanical energy, and piston also transmit power to crankshaft. Next definition is about threshing. Threshing is the process of detaching grains from the airheads or from the plants. Next is the definition of mowers. Machine cut herbage crops. Herbage, herbage crops. These were the five definitions in final term exam. Next question is true false. First is speed of third gear is from 15 mph to 25 mph. It's false. The speed of third gear of tractor is ranges from 30 to 35 mph. Mph mean mile per hour. Next is John Frelinghuysen invented tractor in 1892. It's true. Next is diesel engine. Diesel engine's thermal efficiency is ranging from 25 to 32%. True or false? It's false. Diesel engine's thermal efficiency is ranging from 32 to 38. It is true. Next is irregular maintenance increase the life of a machine. It's true or false? Absolutely. Obviously, it's false. And the last one, true false, is fifth true false is the primary tillage implements used to open the hard soil. It true or false? It's true. This was second question. True false. Sorry, third question. True false portion of the final term exam. First was about definitions, and this is the second. Question third of final term exam is about fill in the blanks. First is hydraulic lift also control the blank space will be covered by depth of implement. Once again, hydraulic lift also control the depth of implement. Next, conservation of moisture is not possible when working with blank space will be covered by mold board plow. Next blank space ignite the fuel mixture. Here we will cover this spark plug ignite the fuel mixture. Next is harvesting action can be done by four ways. This will be the word four. And the last one, fill in the blanks, is good sprayers should break the liquid into fine droplets. The blank space will be filled with the word droplets. This was the third question of the final term exam, including the fill in the blanks portion. Next question is about the short questions. First is what you know about the special feature of tractors. Then these are 5 hydraulic, PTO, dual Dutch system, air cleaner, and last one automatic hydraulic control system. This question will be discussed in next paper. Next question, differentiate between petrol and diesel engine. So here diesel engine, then petrol engine. First point, it has no carburetor, and the petrol engine has carburetor, spark plug, etc. Diesel engines, next point is the diesel engine compression ratio is 14/1 to 22/1, whereas the compression ratio of the petrol engine is 5/1 to 8/1. Next point, use diesel as fuel, where in case of petrol engine use petrol or gas as fuel. Next point, for diesel engine, only air is sucked in suction stroke, whereas in case of petrol engine, air fuel mixture is sucked in suction stroke. Next point, fifth, in case of diesel engine, sorry, yes, fifth point is has a fuel injection pump and injector in case of diesel engine, whereas no fuel injection and pump, fuel injection pump and injector are found in case of the petrol engine. There are having carburetor. Carburetor and ignition coil are found in case of petrol engine. Six is burning is due to the heat of compression. In case of petrol engine, sixth point is air fuel mixture is ignited by spark plug. Next point, thermal efficiency varies from 32 to 38%, where in case of petrol engine, thermal efficiency varies from 25 to 32%. In case of diesel engine, engine weight per hour's weight is high, where in case of petrol engine weight per hour is comparatively low. Diesel engine's operating cost is low, whereas the petrol engine operating cost is relatively high. This is differentiation between the diesel engine and the petrol engine. And the last point, point 10th, in case of the comparison of the diesel and petrol engine. In case of diesel engine, compression pressure inside the cylinder vary from 25 to 45 kilogram per centimeter square, and temperature is about 500 centigrade, whereas in case of petrol engine, compression pressure inside the cylinder varies from 6 to 10 kilogram per centimeter square, and temperature is above 260 centigrade or about 260 centigrade. So this was all about the comparison between the diesel and the petrol engine. This was all about the comparison. Next question is about the requirement of a goods sprayers. It should distribute the chemical form firmly on plant surface. It should have provision to increase or decrease the quantity of the insecticide application. Next is it should have the ability to break the liquid into the fine droplets. And last point, fourth point is it should have provision to control or regulate the size of droplets. This was all about the requirement of a good sprayer. Next question is question fourth, having 2 marks. What is the efficiency of heat engine? Calculate it when Q1 is equal to 5 joules, whereas the Q2 is equal to 2 joules. Efficiency of heat engines, the ability of engine to convert maximum heat into the work. It is called as the efficiency of heat engine. Work can be calculated as Q1 minus Q2, where in this case the Q1 is 5 whereas Q2 is 2, so the work done is equal to 3 joules. Formula for calculating the efficiency of heat engine is as follows. It's equal to W by Q1, where W is work and Q1 is the heat energy supplied. In this case, the work is 3 joules, whereas the heat energy supplied is 5 joules. So the 3 by 5, the answer is 0.60 or 60% is the heat efficiency of this engine. This was the solution of the question 4th of the final term exam in case of short questions. Next is the practical portion. This is the last portion. Here the definitions, 5 definitions. First is mechanization. Mechanization, what is mechanization? Use of the machinery to replace animal or human labor, especially in agriculture and industry, is called mechanization. Next is farm implement. Accessories pulled by animals or animals to machines to make work easier. Next is puddling. Puddling is the process to bury weeds with seeds in soft muds. Next is indigenous plow. Indigenous plow is a multi-purpose plow with cast of iron. In this case, energy and time required are greater than other types of plow. And last one is the definition about the PTO, power takeoff. This the definition of this found in requirement of the good track will be discussed in next paper. Already we have discussed this. Next is in practical true false. 27.3% yield per acre area of maize increase in Pakistan is due to farm mechanization. True or false? It is true. Next, manifold sprays fuel in combustion chamber. It is true or false? It is false. True is manifold sprays fuel in injector. Sorry, manifold sprays fuel through injector. It is true. Next, animal drawn reaper or harvest nearly 5 to 8 centimeter above the ground. It's true or false? It is true. Next is top portion of turn furrow slice is crown. It's true or false? It is also true. And last one is lubricating oil is not placed in crankcase. It is true or false? It is false because lubricating oil is placed in crankcase. Last one is lubricating oil is not placed in crankcase. It is true or false? It is false because lubricating oil is placed in crankcase. So this was all about the last portion of the practical. True or false?